Thank you all for joining our session today. My name is Francisca. I'm BindTuning's Partner Success Manager, and it's a pleasure to have you here with us today. If you have attended Microsoft Inspire last week, I hope you're feeling fully recovered after the weekend and that you have enjoyed the event as much as I have. For those of you who are not familiar with it, Microsoft Inspire is the largest annual conference held by Microsoft Corporation for its partner community, in which product announcements, emerging partner opportunities, and big strategic bets are shared for the upcoming fiscal year. It is also the most comprehensive partner networking event, allowing partners from around the world to create new connections and foster existing ones. This year's event was significantly different. Due to COVID-19, the event has been 100% digital, which means we've all had the pleasure of inviting world-renowned speakers and CEOs to our own living rooms. We had to reinvent new ways to network, reconnect with our partners, and expand our network, which is what we've all been doing for many months now, with the pandemic that has hit us all this year, rethinking processes and reinventing ourselves. I am feeling refreshed and truly inspired to be a part of this response, recover, reimagine journey that Satya shared with us in his keynote. The world is changing, and the pace of change can be overwhelming for our customers. People are changing the way they work very quickly, and companies are going through these trial and error processes in which they must be supported by experienced partners like you. At BindTuning, we're strongly committed to our mission of supporting you, support your clients in this journey. Be an agent of change and overcome barriers to widespread remote work, ensuring your customers' business continuity. Our goal is to provide you the tools that can make your job easier, faster, scalable, and at profit. Today's agenda is quite ambitious, and I want to make sure we get time for Q&A at the end. I will start by introducing you to our technology framework, design, build, and teams. I will show you how easy it is to rapidly deploy compelling intranet spaces in both SharePoint and Microsoft Teams. I will demonstrate the power behind Automate 365, a solution powered by BindTuning that is excellent for custom deployments at scale. And I will close by presenting you all details and benefits of our partner program. Since 2011, the BindTuning framework has transformed company intranets all over the world for thousands of global brands and organizations. We're one of the leading platforms for building connected and engaging intranet workspaces across all SharePoint versions and now Microsoft Teams too. We're currently serving hundreds of recurring revenue customers, and our brand is represented by more than 100 resellers and partners worldwide, who are spread over more than 30 countries. These clients represent a small part of our customer base, but they showcase the diverse experience BindTuning has in this market. We serve companies not only from all parts of the globe, but also from pretty much every industry, from healthcare, education, finance, government, to consumer goods, manufacturing, energy, and global nonprofits. The majority of the customers you see here are large enterprise customers. This does not mean that we are exclusively enterprise-focused. Our flexible licensing and pricing adapts to all market segments, from SMB to mid-market and enterprise. The BindTuning framework provides tools to design and build state-of-the-art corporate intranets in SharePoint and Office 365, and also apps to create meaningful contextual teams and channels in Microsoft Teams. All these collaboration experiences are not only easy to deploy, but also extremely powerful, intuitive, and engaging. Let's start with design. This subscription simplifies the creation of intranets that reflect customers' brand identity. It provides access to a gallery of over 20 base designs, which are completely customizable using our online customizer tool. This point-and-click tool gives developers the power to control every single branding detail, while at the same time create a consistent UX experience across the entire intranet, since themes are compatible with SharePoint on-prem and online, classic and modern. While design controls UX, Build provides all the tools for building collaborative, productivity-focused scenarios. With Build, dev teams have access to close to 19 extremely powerful and flexible web parts. These web parts leverage the creation of unlimited business-specific scenarios, since they can connect to any type of internal and external data sources, like SharePoint lists, SharePoint calendars, RSS feeds, social media feeds, video providers, weather providers, stock data providers, and more. Besides accelerating the development stage, eliminating or minimizing the need for custom development, our web parts also give end users a much better content creation experience. Users no longer have to know the specifics of SharePoint lists to add new content. They get access to user-friendly editing formats to enter content, which means that you're not only transforming intranets in the short term, you're empowering business users like marketing, internal comms, and others in the long run to become less dependent from IT. Together, design and build have been the foundation for the creation of these modern experiences in SharePoint and Office 365, classic and modern. Now, you may be asking, what is the BindTuning P2P business model? If all BindTuning products are so easy to configure and deploy, what is the role of the partner? If you are familiar with SharePoint, you probably know the answer. Our joint value proposition for customers who are looking to refresh or build their corporate portals is to create richer intranet experiences with very fast development times, accelerated by the BindTuning framework, and the added consulting and business knowledge from partners that bring in their expertise to make such each and every project compliant to customer requirements. Now, let's talk about Microsoft Teams. As Gabriela Schuster, Corporate Vice President for Microsoft One Commercial Partner Organization, mentioned in her remarks at Inspire this year, what's truly transformative is what happens when customers start working in teams and learn the full value of Microsoft Teams and Microsoft 365 as a secure remote work collaboration solution. Well, when customers think Teams, many of them still think about Skype for Business in steroids. Skype for Business replacement with file sharing. That's what I usually say. At BindTuning, and we know Microsoft is like that too, we think way more. We see Teams as the main platform where employees spend the bulk of their day and where they need to find the apps and the tools that will help them perform better. Industry news, stocks information, training videos, useful links, answers to their frequently asked questions, and so many more integrations that you as a partner are crucial to put in place. While SharePoint will continue to be the place for information sharing for deeper content, BindTuning is here to help you and your customers truly adopt Teams as the main hub for work. BindTuning provides the most extensive offering for Teams that you can find in the market. 18 Microsoft Teams apps for building collaboration scenarios, Teams templates for deploying business scenarios fast and at scale, and custom templates for governance and scalability. Let's see how these work. This team is BindTuning Partner Central, the exclusive team within Teams where partners can find marketing assets, training materials, and keep up to date with BindTuning latest news and product releases. You can add any of the available 18 apps for Teams as a tab to your channel or team. For example, you can use a rotating slider to highlight open registration to an upcoming event, like this live event. You can configure alert messages in different colors to warn employees of upcoming deadlines or important events. You can bring content up to life, stored in any SharePoint list, to a place where employees are actually working and spending their day. You can build an interactive interface for linking to training videos or open projects upon click tiles will send you to a SharePoint page in which more details can be found. You can share documents from multiple sources, including other site collections. You can create news that pop up inside your team in a module that can include pictures and links to other sources that can show deeper information. You can bring news from popular news feeds, national newspapers, industry-specific publications, or the company's blog feed. You can keep up to date with product releases and color code or identify with a different icon each product category. All of these are great scenarios, but they still require some configuration. You may be wondering, how can BindTuning help you as a partner accelerating that initial sales, that engaging with leads and prospect customers at early stages? By providing pre-configured templates or starter kits. For the past couple of years, we've been crafting over 70 business-specific templates, which are super easy to deploy and allow for the automated creation of sites in Office 365 and Teams in Microsoft Teams. Templates have been reported to be incredible pre-sales tools by our existing partners. For Office 365, templates automatically apply a theme, configure Webparts, and add demo content to pre-existing sites, all within minutes. For Teams, they automatically create the theme, add the channels, add and configure tabs and apps, and add demo content. Now, let's jump to a partner account. So this is my partner account. When you register as a BindTuning partner, you're giving an account with all BindTuning products to deploy internally in your own demo environment. From that same account, you will also be able to manage your prospect customers, products, and trials. So you can add a new client and you can manage an existing customer or an existing prospect customer and start the deployment of one of these existing starter kits right from here. So you have an extensive gallery of starter kits that you can deploy in one click, both for Office 365 and Teams. Switching back to our PowerPoint. Let me leave you with some of the latest templates we made available for Teams. The Employee Wellness Starter Kit addresses employee wellness issues, from physical to nutrition, ergonomics, mental issues, transforming teams into a corporate wellness program platform. The Healthcare at Home Starter Kit. It turns Teams into the tool to support the activity of home care workers, so relevant in times like the ones we're living. The Outbreak Preparedness Starter Kit was created to help companies quickly share COVID-19 related data with their workforce. This starter kit was localized by partners in our network, and we have promoted it through our customer base in specific markets in which our customers are located and where our partners are working with us. The Collaboration Starter Kit helps to quickly showcase how Microsoft Teams can be transformed into the productivity tool of excellence in any organization. We have a tremendous value in these templates, but we know most companies and organizations have very specific business scenarios and requirements. Many companies manually create hundreds of site collections every month, which have to comply to certain standards. What if there was an easy way to do custom deployments at scale? To support the creation of team sites for each marketing campaign, to easily create a project management site or a project management team, to control the structure and facilitate the creation of department sites, to have proper governance on new teams creation. To assist you in providing a solution for all types of custom scalability requirements, we created Automate 365. Automate 365 is the solution for creating custom templates, take control over governance, automate the deployment of sites and teams, while ensuring a future-proof solution as it provides version control and error control. Do you recall the team for partner management that I've shown you at the beginning of the demo? It is a great team for anyone managing a partner network. It would be awesome to have it available as a template, available in our calendar, in our catalog of teams. What if we save it as a template using Automate 365? The only thing I need to do is to say that I want to create a new template, insert my email address, and say that I want to create a template for Microsoft Teams. Our engine will validate my environment and grab all the teams that I have under my tenant. Here it is, BindTuning Partner Central. I will click Next, and the process will start. So in a couple of minutes, I will have all the channels listed here, and I will just need to say which tabs I want to save and with which configurations. There we go. I will click Next, and I won't run the process until the end, but I already have the Partner Central template here. Okay. Before we finish, let me give you a quick wrap-up of the BindTuning offering. Design and build are the foundation for creating modern intranet experiences in SharePoint and Office 365, and provide easy-to-use tools for brand identity and powerful communication and collaboration features. Teams is our boost box for Microsoft Teams, upgrading it to an engaging and powerful collaboration tool. It's the intranet of the future. To accelerate the deployment of Office 365 and Teams, either in pre-sale stages or to speed up development, you can rely on our extensive gallery of over 70 pre-built templates. And finally, the most powerful tool is now at your fingertips. Automate 365 provides the ability to automatically create your own custom templates with your own best practices to promote customer acceleration and onboarding as you envision it. I will now introduce you to our vision on working with partners and the specifics of the BindTuning Partner Program. Why partner with BindTuning? 4 keywords, 4 key reasons. Upsell. Extend your offering. Add BindTuning starter kits to your product offering and give your customers a structured head start for their intranets and teams while getting a recurring revenue stream. Accelerate sales, development, and deployment with your products and solutions. If you already have a development practice, you will save precious time that can be spent doing value-added work, prospecting clients, developing more complex functionalities that BindTuning does not have, and understanding the requirements from the customer. Sell. Many of our customers buy products on their own. And then they need training, they need services. If you become an expert from day one, we can combine forces. Boost your business exposure and boost your customers' visibility. Being a worldwide company, BindTuning does a lot of social media initiatives, regular webinars, blog posts, campaigns, case studies, and we engage our partners and we like to promote their work and their customers as leading forces in this transformation that we're going through. What's in it for my business? I get asked so many times the question of what is our typical partner profile. We work with all kinds of partners who resell, incorporate, or recommend BindTuning to their customers, benefiting from significant gains in usage and adoption of Office 365 workloads. But there are other advantages more specific to certain partner profiles. Services partners and managed service partners benefit from significant time and cost savings that can go up to 75% in intranet branding and Teams development. DCs and VARs explore co-sell opportunities and open up new business for their own partner channel. Telecommunication partners and partners with a strong practice in voice may expand their offer and give customers a head start to a collaboration environment in minutes. And digital agencies and consulting partners or change management firms can smooth the user experience that they provide to their customers at low cost, driving effective digital transformation. Our program perks include technical training, both on demand and live, sales support, including hand-holding whenever needed from your partner manager, technical support that covers 4 tickets per month, co-marketing opportunities, namely customer case studies and joint webinars, community engagement, and revenue share opportunities that can go up to 20%. There are 2 tiers available for all new joiners, reseller and certified partner. A reseller processes and closes the deal, although the pre-sales is driven by BindTuning sales. A certified partner manages the customer through the entire life cycle, all the way through renewal. There's a difference in the revenue share that each tier is entitled to, and also in the requirements to sign up for each of the program tiers. I'm closing our call today with some quotes shared by our partners. When asked about what BindTuning brings to the table, they highlight our forward-thinking designs, ease of deployment and use, our approachable and knowledgeable team, and the proficiency our products add to any project for a fair price. I hope this has been a valuable and informative call for you all. As next steps, I'd like us to book one-on-one calls for us to deepen our understanding of each other's business and to explore collaboration opportunities.